Hi, my name is Will Rasper with Copper Pipe Plumbing Services here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Our phone number is 513-813-7526. And you can find us on the web at www.copperpipeplumbingservicesinc.com. And today we're going to talk about A.O. Smith water heaters. Our number one preferred water heater to install is A.O. Smith. They have great customer service. They're open longer hours than anybody else. It's easy to get parts. The people are really friendly. So we love to use A.O. Smith. They got a good 6-year warranty on their water heaters. Now with A.O. Smith, we call them up and usually they get with parts within 48 hours. And sometimes we also keep the parts on our trucks. So if you have trouble with your water heater, all you do is give us a call today. But once again, like I said, we prefer to install A.O. Smith. So if you're having a leaky water heater right now, or having a water heater that's over 10 years old, just give us a call today. We'd be glad to replace it for you. And that's Will Rasper with CopperPipePlumbingServicesinc.com. And our phone number is 513-813-7526. And hey, have a great day.